Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a little different than what I normally do. It's going to be kind of a voiceover kind of thing, so tell me if you like this more than the last one. But this right here, what I'm doing now, is a license plate relocate kit. And so the bracket that you get with it will go where I'm trying to put bolts in, but I realized that I can't get it from there, so I have to put it up on jacks. And those are the holes, basically, just right there. And then you put the bracket in, thread them on, just like that. And then you'll tighten them down with a 14mm ratchet, I believe. And then you want to grab the bolt, the little middle divider, and the locking nut. Then you'll tighten it down with a 16mm ratchet wrench, and also just a normal wrench that's 17mm for the back. It's really weird. And then I tried to bend it out straight because it was very wavy, and it just looks better if you do this. I also got a new Miata badged from the dealership, and it made it look pretty cool. Now for the fog lights. These I actually got off of Walmart, and they're not a direct fit, and this is a kind of a really weird way that I put them on. It's a little bit ricey, kind of. I'm not exactly sure, but it's sketchy. It's definitely sketchy. So you're gonna want to take, if this is the left side, you're gonna take these panels off. The other side has a hole. You unplug it from the old fog lights, and then you unbolt those two bolts right there. I believe they're 9mm or 10mm. I can't remember. So there's a comparison. The new one's a little bigger, so it's not going to poke out like the old one. And then you're going to cut the wire. I guess you could reuse the old plug, but there you go. And then you strip it. And you're going to want to take the bracket off, just like that. And then also take an existing nut, and then you're going to ground off the sides. And it's also going to fit in that area right there, just like that. And you're going to want to bolt the bracket like that, because it doesn't work the other way. I've been driving with it, and it hasn't shifted position for about a week now. And then you're going to put it on the very right. If this is the driver's side, the passenger side will be on the left. So you want to keep it tight but also loose, so you can move it around into position, just like this. So it just fits, just like that. So I just left it there, and then I'm going to tighten that down. And the black wire from your previous plugs will go to the black, obviously, and then the green wire will go to the other one, the white one. So I just wrapped it up like that. And then I put a bunch of electrical tape around it, so it's watertight, kind of. This is where the sketchy part comes in, because I just did the fog lights. To get the halos, you're gonna have to cut a little, like, I don't know, section out of it like that, and then you wrap the halo wires around it. I don't know how good this is. There's probably a better way if someone wants to tell me. So you're gonna want to use some other wires. I used the white for the red wire, and then the red for the black. So the black is ground, the red is ground, and the white is not. And the white will go to the yellow one, and the red will go to the black one. And do the same thing. I just wrapped it around just like that, pretty as tight as I could. And then I just put a crap ton of stuff, and I zip tied everything up there so it's not dangling, down. But it works really well, and the difference is crazy. Like, I can see so much. And you just screw those back on, and then you're good to go. So this is with the lights on. See the halos turn on just like that. And then with the button, you just press it on and it's really bright. These are nice. I really like them. So that's really nice. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, I believe. Just for me figuring it all out, it took me maybe 4 hours to do everything in this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful and make sure you like and subscribe.